Alright guys, so we got the Taurus back, and it's a shitload of damage. There's no other way to put it on there. It's a shitload of damage on the body of the Taurus. There's too much rust on it. I'll show you guys in a minute. But we're also going to go ahead and replace the brakes and the suspension front and back, in addition to the sway bar links. So just go ahead and let's jump in. Alright, so we got the Taurus back, and this shocks is out, and the rust is just insane. There's a lot of rust still there. As you can see, we peeled some of it off, and we try to spray that on the coating so we can stop the rust and prevent it from rusting some more. You can see it there too. We'll let it sit, let it dry, and check it back out. But basically, we'll have to replace this rotor. It has some pretty nasty creases on there too, in addition to the rusts. So guys, if you have cars, you love your cars or whatnot, try to take care of your cars. It keeps your value up, it keeps the maintenance down, and it kind of helps you with retail as well. It definitely helps whoever buys it. But yeah guys, you gotta try to take care of your car. And if you live in those areas where you have a lot of snow, you know, every time you drive on snow and the salt and all that stuff, don't forget to wash your cars. It's very important. It's gonna keep you from having a lot of headaches. So I've already taken out the brakes. That's the caliper right there. It's completely rusted. I'll show you right now so you can see. As you can see, it's completely rusted. I'll have to scratch that out with a metallic sponge on a drill, and try to refinish that and make it look good. But yeah, it's a total mess. It's more than what I bargained for, but it gives us content. So so those are the brackets. This is the rear bracket, and this is the front bracket. As you can see, it's pretty bad. But what we'll do is we'll use a metallic brush, and we'll try to clean it up. We're also going to use some brake cleaner to spray it afterwards and make sure everything is good. We'll try to get it to this as close as possible before we refinish it. But yeah, basically we'll do that. We are keeping the metal pieces here, the brackets, the metal inserts for the brake, because we're not replacing the brakes. So these are going to come off before we do the cleaning, and when we're done with the cleaning, they'll come right back on there. So just for safety measure, I'm going to take them out and put them in my little baggie where I have all the screws that goes with the front and the back. So I'll show you the end result in a minute. I'll see you in a bit. So furthermore, as you saw in the pictures that was just displayed, we also had to replace this transmission oil pan cover. It was cracked, as you could see from the impact on this side. We had to end up doing that body work to get the frame back to be aligned properly. There's still, as you can see, some slight little cracks there because the plastic kind of went back, but it's not the major because the bolt is still holding on. It's kind of like the battery holder. So we got that replaced, and we're able to try it out, and it does shift properly and there are no leaks. So that was one of the biggest thing that we had to do there as well. We also, as you could see, we had to take out this support bar here to be able to reach the core support that was broken as well during the impact. So we got that replaced. We're going to give it a wash and everything, but that's the bar that we also had to replace, and we just primed it out to make sure it kind of, you know, holds up on some of the rusty past of the car. So yeah, there you have it. We tested the headlights for the fitment. Everything was good, so both of them are sitting out pretty well. But yeah guys, there you have it. We'll go ahead and we'll address the brake issue right now, do the suspension in the front. We're probably gonna go another route, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Check you out in the next video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you.